How's it going, everybody? Welcome to another video. This video is going to be on giving back. That could be giving back to the community, to those less fortunate. But Vinny at NWMotiv is throwing a meat and slash food drive for those who are less fortunate, and all the food and donations will be going to Northwest Harvest, and then they will be going to needy families. So yeah, I guess anybody who is watching this video during these times and the holiday seasons, there are families out there who could use a lot of help, and that's what it really is all about. Just giving back. All of us could be fortunate to have a lot of things, but there are many who are less fortunate. So it's always good to give back, however you can. I did ask for some donations on my Instagram, and I got a pretty good chunk of donations. So I'm here at the store right now, and I'm going to go in and pick up some canned foods and some stuff that I can donate. So let's go ahead and go in, and I guess before I do go in, I just ask that wherever you are, if you're watching, please do a little bit at the kindness of your heart. Just give back to those who are less fortunate, because it really means a lot. I remember my parents not being able to always afford a lot of things, but it was the people who opened up their hearts and gave back to people who were like my family. And now I just want to just give back, and it's because of those people that did give and help my family and my parents. It brought us to where we are today, and put us in a position that we are able to help others now. So let's go ahead and go in. And there is like I said, there is a car meet tomorrow as well, which I'll be showing you guys content there too. But what the most important thing is giving back to the community. Alright, so I am here at the baby section. A lot of times we forget that babies need food too. So I'm going to go ahead and get some baby food here. I just get a whole bunch. Oh, that one. Apple avocado. Apple blueberry. Can't go wrong with mango. Some peach. Pear. Let's go ahead and get some multigrain rice. Let's see. All right. Here are my bags. I need to get some better bags, some Mandelier looking bags. All right, I'm gonna grab some canned tuna. Let's see. Maybe some canned turkey. Some canned chicken. I don't really know what to get. I'm just going off the list of what they say that could be good. I guess let's get some more tuna. I don't know. I just want to just give enough to use the money that was donated, and to, I guess, help as many people, as many families as possible. So let's go ahead and go to another aisle here, see what we can find. So I got what seems to be enough. Well, the cart does look pretty packed, but I don't think that it's enough. I don't know, what do you guys think? Alright, so I got everything all checked out, and I am walking back to my car. I spent about $120 for the food, and it is all worth it. So hopefully I could get all of this in the car in the Lexus. And here she is, actually parking very far away just to keep it away from everybody. So I hope that I should have room in the trunk here. Harder than I thought. So yeah, I'll show you guys what I got from the store in a bit. So I am back home now, and I laid it all out in my trunk, and just from the looks of it, it doesn't seem like there's that much, but I guess that just means that there is room to add, and hopefully there will be a lot of other people who will be donating food as well, and hopefully anybody who's watching this video could find it in your heart to either donate money or donate some food at your local food drives as well. But yeah, here is the look of how my trunk looks like right now. So yeah, that's what I will be donating tomorrow at the NWMotiv's food drive. Hopefully I will be seeing a lot of you guys there. Yeah, here is the content from that, but first I gotta wash my car, so I guess let's sort of start off with that, and then I will see you guys back tomorrow morning. Good morning. It is food donation day. I got the car warmed up and I have all the food boxed up ready to go. So let's go ahead and get on the road. It's kind of chilly this morning, but yeah, I got the car all warmed up, so let's go and donate some food and see some nice cars. So the meet was a success. A lot of people showed up and donated a lot of food. Pretty nice cars showed up as well. So thank you to Vinny and Northwest Motive for throwing this meet and for the food drive. And I will see you guys in the next video. And remember, enjoy life, go slow.